In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and save a recipe in Chef's Food Cost Calculator. We'll build a sample recipe called creamy garlic chicken pasta using ingredients that are already saved in the app. You'll see how to search for ingredients, enter recipe quantities, calculate food cost, review pricing, and save the finished recipe for later use. Let's get started. Tap Search Ingredient and search for chicken breast. Select it from the list, enter 2 in quantity, choose pounds, and tap Add. Review the recipe before calculating. Next, search for penne pasta. Select it, enter 1.5 in quantity, choose pounds, and tap Add. Search for heavy cream. Select it, enter 1 in quantity, choose quarts, and tap Add. Search for Parmesan cheese. Select it, enter 8 in quantity, choose ounces, and tap Add. Search for butter. Select it, enter 4 in quantity, choose ounces, and tap Add. Search for garlic. Select it, enter 2 in quantity, choose ounces, and tap Add. Search for black pepper. Select it, enter 0.25 in quantity, choose ounces, and tap Add. Search for parsley. Select it, enter 1 in quantity, choose ounces, and tap Add. As each item is added, it appears under current ingredients. This lets you review the recipe before calculating. Tap the Expand button next to current ingredients. This gives you a better view of everything added to the recipe. Once everything looks correct, scroll to Portion and Pricing. In Yield, enter 8, then choose Portion as the yield unit. Leave waste at 0, or enter a waste percentage if you want to account for prep loss. Menu price is optional. If you're selling this recipe on a menu, enter your selling price to see your current food cost percentage and profit. For this example, I'll enter $18. If you leave menu price blank, the app can still calculate your total recipe cost, cost per portion, and suggested price based on your target food cost. The app shows the total cost, cost per yield unit, current food cost percentage, suggested price at your target food cost, and profit information when a menu price is entered. After reviewing the results, tap Save. The recipe prompt opens. Enter the recipe name, creamy garlic chicken pasta. Next, tap Category and choose the category that fits the recipe. For this example, choose Main Dishes. Then tap Save. Once you see Recipe saved, the recipe is stored in the app and ready to use in menus, events, pricing, kitchen documents, and future food cost planning. Open the Recipes Details screen. Here you can review the recipe cost, yield, food cost, and ingredients. You can also add an image, scale the recipe, edit it later, or download the recipe details when you need a kitchen-ready document. For now, this gives you a quick look at where your saved recipes live and what you can do with them after they're created. And that's how you create a recipe in Chef's Food Cost Calculator.